I work in the Science Resource Center, and all of what we do is funded through the Levy. Our curriculum, the kits that we make, and our science field experience. To do science, you need materials and experiences. Without those, you can teach about science, but you can't actually have the kids do science. We pack up over 500 classroom kits to make sure that teachers don't have to scrounge for supplies and to make sure that every student has equitable access to high quality instruction. Grades K through 6, all of our kids get to go out into the community to connect their in-classroom learning to hands-on field experiences. Kindergartens get to study ecosystems in our local estuaries. 4th graders get to study energy transfer at the dam. And our 3rd graders study about and raise salmon in the classroom and then release them into the Columbia with Cascade Fisheries. For some of our students, our WSD field experiences are the only times that they have ever gone hiking. They are often, for many classes, the only opportunity that they have to go on a field trip. So for us, it's not just about making science work better, it's also about making school more exciting to go to. Please remember to vote on February 11th.